Hello, hello, good morning, good morning. So happy to be with you again this morning. This is Dr. Yonnette coming to you with another episode of Baby Talk. Don't you like to talk about baby? I love to talk about baby. But today we're going to make a little switch and talk about you, taking care of you, because as I said always, you cannot take care of baby if you are not taking care of you. So I want you to show yourself some self-love this morning, some real self-love. And the self-love is going to focus on skincare, loving your skin, loving the way you look, loving the you present to the world and to your baby. And the last time we did a little bit of self-care, we focused on moms who were breastfeeding, and we used the Mary Kay Naturally line. Today I want us to use a line that is for moms who are not breastfeeding, and this is the Time Wise Miracle Set 3D. So we have a cleanser, a moisturizer for the day, a moisturizer for night, and then the eye cream. So we're going to do that. We're also going to use the pink mask. I want you to do a little bit of masking so that you are adding some nice cleansing to your face and some nice antioxidants that will give your face that young, fresh look. We are also going to use the instant puffiness reliever, because I know you are losing sleep, your eyes are puffy, and I want you to look your best self. So let's get started. First in our steps, we are going to do a cleansing. Always cleanse your face every morning and every evening. In your process, you're going to cleanse. Before you cleanse, your face needs to be wet. Wet your face with warm water. So you wet your face with warm water. And then you apply the cleanser. I normally apply the cleanser to a brush. This is called the Skin Vigorate brush. And I like to say, when I'm brushing my teeth, I do not use my fingers to brush my teeth. I use a brush because I know with the brush I am going to get more cleansing done to my gums and my teeth. So similarly, I'm using a brush for my face. The brush is going to massage my face. It's going to also give me 20 times more cleansing than if I were just using my bare hands. And the brush really feels awesome massages to different parts of your face to increase circulation and to get your skin receiving that blood that brings life and make you glow. So this cleanser is going to gently exfoliate the dead skin on my face. It's going to cleanse, it's going to add tone, it's going to tighten my skin, and it's going to give me glow. And of course, you moms need that. So while moms are using this Time Wise Miracle Set, dads, you are using the skincare, the Mary Kay men's line. This is a cleanser as well, and it's going to cleanse your skin and get rid of those impurities. So men, get out your Mary Kay men's cleanser. Okay, so the brush went off. Look, I washed my face last night. You see how much of the dead skin it took off? And my skin is looking nice and fresh. Now let me take off the cleanser. I'm going to use a washcloth and remove all the cleanser from my face. And then you can see my glow is going to kick in. Moms, remember, you are taking care of you. Dads, you are taking care of you as well, so that you can be available to take care of baby. And in this process, you also are thinking of you, and you mom and dad as a couple, because you don't want to stop dating. You don't want to stop appearing attractive to each other. You want to present your best self so that the marriage can continue. You know, the baby came and the marriage left. No, no, no. You don't want to have that at all. So now that you've cleansed, you're going to go ahead and apply the pink mask. And to apply the pink mask, I'm going to use a spatula and apply the mask down the middle of my forehead. Now the pink mask is going to add moisture to your face. A lot of times when you see your face cracking and wrinkles are coming out on your face, let me use a mirror because I'm using the computer and it's funny. When the wrinkles are coming out on your face, it's because you're losing the collagen, the elastin in your face. So when you mask, you're putting back that moisture that you need to keep your face nice and elastic so that the wrinkles don't come. And you want to mask at least twice a month. There's a charcoal mask that is also good for, you know, those impurities that you have on your face. Those of you who are having acne and blemishes, that charcoal mask is going to do wonders for your face as well. The charcoal mask will work wonders on your face and take out all those impurities. So now I have applied the pink mask. This mask is for moisturization. It has lots of wonderful antioxidants that's going to help with my face repair and keep my skin healthy. Now when you put a mask on your face, you want to wait for 20 minutes before you remove it. In the interest of time, since we don't have 20 minutes, I am just going to go ahead and remove the mask. I'm going to remove the mask, so you wait for it to dry, and when it dries, you're going to feel it pulling and bringing your skin together, so it's tightening and giving you that tone that you're looking for. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the mask. Just like we removed the cleanser, you always want to remove whatever you apply to your face. And in that short space of time, I'm still going to get some benefits, even though I did not leave it for my full 20 minutes. Okay, so let's take off that mask. I'm going to take off most of it with this paper towel, and then I'm going to do the rest with my washcloth. All right, aren't you loving this? Yes, this is the way for you to do you, to show yourself some self-love and get you back into the groove looking like Mrs. Mingo or Mrs. Brown or Mrs. White, the way you used to look before baby arrived. Okay, so there's my pink mask. Applied and removed, and I can see my face is already looking fresh and bright. Okay, so I've done those 2 steps. Now I'm going to add a little bit of serum before I apply my moisturizer. So I'm going to do my pore correcting serum, and I'm going to do my tone correcting serum. That was my pore minimizer, and I'm just going to add them to my cheeks, my forehead. I'm going to do it up and out motion. Get them all there and going. Okay, great. And I am going to apply that. You're applying the moisturizing lotion If you need to shave, dads, there's a shave foam. So you use the shave foam before the moisturizing lotion. And then you apply the moisturizing lotion. I think I got way too much this time. You just need a small amount. Apply it to your face. And that's going to take care of you for 12 hours. It has SPF that's going to protect you from the sun's rays and keep your face healthy and prevent you from getting sunburn. Oh, my face feels so luxurious, so kissable, soft. You would love to kiss this face. It almost feels like my baby's face. Yes, that's how it should feel. Your skin should be healthy and soft and free of all the impurities that we find in the environment. Now, I know moms and dads, you are busy. And so you want to do a quick skincare set, skincare routine. Now the last step is going to be for me to add the eye cream. And men, here's your eye cream. So you put the eye cream on your index fingers and you're going to apply the eye cream right there above your eyes and under your eyes. You don't want to pull on it. You don't want to pull on that area. And I promised that I was going to use the instant puffiness reducer. So let's use some of that. Just a tiny bit where you see the puffiness, you put it right there under your eyes. I have kind of sunken eyes, but at the end, at the side of my eyes, I tend to get some puffiness. So I'm going to put it there and see how it works for me. And I want you to tell me if it does anything. So that should help you, moms and dads who have been losing sleep. You've been losing sleep, and so you're taking care of yourself today, giving yourself that glow and giving yourself the attention you need. Now, because again, you're busy, you don't have time to do all that makeup stuff. So let's do a CC cream quick out of the door application to your face so that you look a little different. You look a little better than if you had just gone with your bare skin on the outside without applying anything. So we are applying a little bit of that CC cream to your skin. The CC cream comes with SPF and it's going to protect you from the sun rays as well. And it's going to give you a little bit of cover so your face looks done. Now that CC cream was a little light, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some foundation. Now I know moms and dads, you are busy, so you probably would skip this step, but I'm going to add it since my CC cream is a little too light on my face. So I'm going to add that foundation to darken it a little bit. Let's get this out of my hand. Get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm using a blending sponge. Okay, so remember we're trying to do this quick out of the door dash for moms who are trying to keep themselves up after having a baby. Now, while moms are doing that, dads, you have the beard oil. So you can work on the beard oil to get your beard looking spiffy and shiny and healthy. So now after the CC cream, there's a little bit of sheen. So you want to apply the translucent powder to your face to bring down that sheen. and to give you that finishing touch. So I'm applying the CC powder, the translucent powder after I did the cream. And then lastly, let me put some color to my lips. Some color to my lips. And some shine. So there you have it. I know you would see your wife as looking attractive if she took a few minutes, just a few minutes, to take care of herself, to make herself look beautiful and ready for the world. And I am loving, loving, loving my look. I am loving my look. Didn't take long. It's not difficult. And it's something that you as a beginner, you as a neglector can do. So as you continue to take care of baby, make sure you're taking care of yourself. Take care of your skin. Take care of the you that you present to the world, so that you are loving yourself as you love the experience of raising your child, the next generation of successful individual. Thank you for joining me this morning, and I wish you a wonderful day.